Hello, and welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're tired of spending your weekends mowing the lawn, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 best robot lawnmowers of 2025, featuring the smartest, most powerful, and most reliable models to keep your yard perfectly maintained with zero effort. If this kind of content helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to support us and stay updated with the latest tech reviews. As always, you can check all the product links in the description box below, so let's get started. The Husqvarna Automower 115H4G is a trusted choice for small to medium yards up to 0.4 acres, offering reliable performance with Husqvarna's patented guidance system. This robotic mower uses a wired boundary solution that ensures consistent navigation, even in shaded areas or complex lawn layouts with heavy tree coverage. It features a DIY self-installation kit, making setup straightforward without professional help. Thanks to its ultra-quiet smart mowing technology, it works discreetly day or night, while 4G connectivity allows you to control schedules, start or stop mowing, and adjust settings directly from your smartphone, giving you total control with minimal effort. The Segway Navimow i110N stands out with its completely wire-free design, using advanced RTK positioning, combined with vision sensors through EFL's 2.0 technology for centimeter-level accuracy. Designed for lawns up to a quarter acre, it creates virtual boundaries using AI-assisted mapping, allowing fast setup directly from your smartphone. Navimow follows planned mowing patterns for efficient coverage, automatically changes direction to reduce lawn tracks, and intelligently recharges to finish the job. Its wide-angle camera, powered by AI, can identify over 150 types of obstacles, delivering excellent safety and obstacle avoidance, all while operating at a quiet 58 decibels for peaceful lawn care. The RockMow S1 brings Roborock's proven smart technology from the home to the garden, offering precise and dependable lawn maintenance for medium-sized yards. Designed with reliability in mind, this robotic lawnmower delivers clean, accurate cutting while minimizing user intervention. Its intelligent design focuses on hassle-free operation, allowing homeowners to enjoy consistent results without constant supervision. With Roborock's commitment to smart automation, the RockMow S1 is ideal for those who want efficient lawn care that simply works, giving you more time to relax and enjoy your outdoor space. The Sunseeker X7 is built for medium to large yards, up to 0.75 acres, offering true wireless mowing with no boundary wires required. Powered by a combination of Vision AI and RTK technology, it delivers precise path planning and efficient coverage across complex terrains. Its all-wheel drive system and floating dual-blade design allow it to handle slopes and uneven ground with ease while maintaining a clean, even cut. Through the smart Sunseeker app, users can manage zones, schedules, and cutting height remotely. The X7 is also rain-ready, automatically returning to its charging station during wet conditions, and features a waterproof, washable design for easy maintenance. Taking the top spot is the Mammotion LUBA 2 AWD 5000, a powerful wire-free robotic lawnmower designed for large lawns up to 1.25 acres and extreme slopes up to 80%. Using advanced RTK GNSS and multi-sensor navigation, it allows you to set ultra-precise virtual boundaries in minutes directly from the app, eliminating the need for perimeter wires. With all-wheel drive, multi-zone management, adjustable cutting heights, and full app control, lawn care becomes effortless. LUBA 2 also integrates with Alexa and Google Home for voice control, and features an upgraded solar-powered RTK system, making it a smart, sustainable, and high-performance solution for modern lawn maintenance in 2025.